Welcome back to my video. Did you know that your iPhone has built-in white noise? Well, this is how you add it. First, you go to your settings, scroll down to Control Center, scroll down until you see this hearing. It's gonna be like this. Click on the plus to add it. It adds to your Control Center. Exit. Scroll down your Control Center. Here we go, the ear app on the bottom. That's the hearing. If you press and hold, and then you click on background sounds, you can select any white noise. And it will remain playing in the background while you're using your phone. If you learned anything from this video, comment below and follow for more.